Plant-based diet on a budget, our best money-saving tips.
A plant-based diet can be affordable and budget-friendly, especially if you follow these tips. Buy in bulk. Buying grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds in bulk can be much more cost-effective compared to buying them in small packages. Shop at discount stores. Discount stores such as Aldi and Lidl often have a good selection of plant-based products at lower prices compared to regular supermarkets. Grow your own produce. Consider starting a vegetable garden to grow some of your own produce. This can save you money in the long run and also ensure that you have fresh, chemical-free produce. Cook at home. Eating out or buying pre-made meals can be expensive. Cooking at home can be much more budget-friendly, and you can control the ingredients you use. Use seasonal produce. Fruits and vegetables are typically less expensive when they are in season. Plan your meals around seasonal produce to save money. Stock up on pantry staples. Keeping a well-stocked pantry with items like grains, legumes, and canned goods can save you time and money. You'll always have ingredients on hand to make quick and affordable meals. Avoid processed foods. Processed foods are often more expensive than whole, unprocessed foods. Try to limit your intake of processed plant-based products and focus on whole foods instead. Shop at farmers markets. Farmers markets often have a good selection of locally grown, seasonal produce at a lower price compared to supermarkets. By following these tips, you can easily stick to a plant-based diet while staying within your budget.